welcome to The Bite. My name is Jackie. So on my Instagram, I've been asking a lot of questions on my polls of things that you would like to see during the holiday season. So if you're not following me and you want to get involved in what I post, make sure to follow me there at _TheBite. One of the questions that I asked was if you wanted to see some traditional Thanksgiving dishes with a Middle Eastern twist. And I thought, what a perfect way to implement something like a cranberry sauce and infuse it with Middle Eastern flavors like dates. Dates are so traditional in our food. We stuff our cookies with them, we eat them as snacks, we use them as just a natural sweetener, and they're very healthy, they're very nutritious, and they're becoming widely available, so I thought this was a perfect recipe to share with you. So this is a cranberry sauce with dates. There's a little bit of sugar involved, but you really don't need it. But let's show you what you're gonna need and then we can get started on making the sauce. All right, so I have one 12-ounce bag of cranberries. You can use fresh or frozen, both work. I have some pitted dates. I have about 8 here. You can use even 10, you can use a full cup, whatever you want. In here, I have some orange juice, some orange zest, some water, and a little bit of sugar. And like I mentioned, you don't need to add, if you're trying to stay away from any kind of refined sugar or any additional unnecessary sugar, eliminate that, and you can even add more dates if you wanted. I feel like it is still a little bit tart without those. It's just a couple tablespoons that I use, but without that, I feel like this is quite tart. If you enjoy that, you can leave it as is. So I'm gonna get started on making it, and this is gonna come together in a cinch. Just you watch. So I have a medium saucepan here. I'm going to add to it all of my fresh cranberries. I just love the sound that they make. And I'm going to add all my pitted dates, along with the water, the sugar is stuck at the bottom, but basically everything goes into the saucepan. So I turned the heat on to medium, and you want to give everything a good stir. It's gonna look like there's not enough liquid in there, but trust me, there is. So just give it a quick stir, let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you will start to see the cranberries start popping. After just about 10 minutes, this is what you end up with. So as you can see, this cranberry sauce is still piping hot, but you saw how fast it came together. It's so quick and so easy. I say that often, but I mean it. This is 10 minutes. I mean, you can make this the day of Thanksgiving and not feel stressed at all because it does the work for you. You just put in the cranberries, whatever flavorings you want, a little bit of liquid, and that's it. You just let it sit and do its thing. So I'm going to taste a little bit. In about a week and a half, I have a really good recipe for leftover cranberry sauce. So you need to stick around and see that because it's a good one. So I'm gonna just taste this really quickly. I mean, just one little bite because this is like hot. Perfect. It's tart and it's gonna go so well with all the savory stuff on your Thanksgiving table. The dates add a lot of natural sweetness, but those 2-3 tablespoons of sugar just amp it up just enough, and it's gonna be delicious. I cannot wait to share with you what I do with the leftovers of this. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can see when I post all those delicious videos that are coming up. So many good things are coming up this month. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So when you make any of my recipes, don't forget to tag me on social media so I can see and share it with my followers. I love seeing when you recreate my recipes. It just makes me so happy to know that you're enjoying them. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this and you like this little kind of fusion dish. And if you want more of these, let me know. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on The Bite.